Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. BanYo. Yeah, 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 yeah. Stolen highs, stolen feelings, I need them. Yeah. Okay, look, tell me who got the box full of the stolen stuff. Stolen hearts, stolen feelings, I need to open up. All these scars need to heal before you know too much. In the dark, trying to shine, wonder is it a such thing? Yeah, you cool, but shit, I need someone to vent to. Can't let this shit just weigh all on my mental. Gee, wish you could check that shit out that I sent you. Reminiscing on everything a nigga did do. That weight been on my shoulder, I'm on my patience shit. So I can't waste my time, I replace a bitch. I'ma still wait niggas up, don't care how late it get. I was one when grandma died, feel like she prayed for this. Wish I could call her keys and he'll answer. R.I.P. to dear Sandra, your voice was my piano. Yeah. I can only imagine what did happen if I don't go big rapping, still free him till it's backwards. Yeah. My trust can't go too far, tryna shake these damages. Cold world, me cold for a savage kid. It's a lost sense just to find what my passion is. Left with questions, hoping someone can answer it. Like, is everything always what it seems? The stars only shine cause it's surrounded by them. Do the ones I really love know what I mean? When I say I need to find out who got the stolen box, who got the box full of the stolen stuff. Stolen hearts, stolen feelings, I need to open up. All these scars need to heal before you know too much. In the dark, trying to shine, wonder is it a such thing? Yeah, you cool, but shit, I need someone to vent to. Can't let this shit just weigh all on my mental. Gee, wish you could check that shit out that I sent you. Reminiscing on everything a nigga did do.